Hello again from your friends at Cirillo Cosmetic Dermatology Spa. I wanted to also talk about some sunscreens that I like that I did not address in our first video. And in keeping with my personal preference, these are all physical sunscreens, and that means they contain zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are the ingredients in physical sunscreens. And you want to remember that zinc oxide blocks the most ultraviolet radiation of all sunscreens on the market in the United States. So first I want to address the ELTA MD line. This is ELTA MD UV Physical SPF of 41. It has a slight tint to it, and it's something that some of our patients like to use every day without having to put makeup over it. It's very lightweight, and again, you can use it all by itself without makeup. Now, if you're looking for a more moisturizing sunscreen for your face, they have UV Elements, and this has some hyaluronic acid in it, and you can put this on, and then you can put makeup over it if you so desire. So it's a little bit more moisturizing than the UV Physical. UV Pure, again, is a sunscreen with zinc and titanium, and this can be used on your face or your body, and it's great for sensitive skin because, again, there are no chemical sunscreens in it. ELTA MD made a UV Active, and this is good for people who have a more active lifestyle with sports because they put 19% zinc oxide in it, which is the highest of any of their products, and they also have titanium dioxide in it as well. So if you're playing golf or you're a jogger, this will not run in your eyes. It's great for those people who are physically active. The other ELTA MD products that I like are UV Clear, and there's both a tinted and an untinted formula. And these are great for people who suffer with acne or rosacea because in addition to the physical sunscreen, they put in niacinamide, which is anti-inflammatory. So it helps with the inflamed acne lesions or inflamed rosacea. So these are some of my favorite ELTA MD products. The last two I'd like to talk about, a lot of my Bryn Mawr skin and cancer patients know about, as well as Cirillo. It's made by Isden. It's called Eryfotona Actinica. This product helps reverse the damage by DNA repair enzymes, which are present in the product, for those people suffering with actinic damage, people with actinic keratosis, people who have had skin cancers and Mohs surgeries. And they brought out a new product last year in addition to the original product. The second one, it's called Eryfotona Ageless. They added anti-aging peptides. It's a little bit more moisturizing, but whichever one you prefer, you are doing a lot to reverse the damage that the sun caused in your skin. Thank you.